Hi everyone, welcome to KFC Korean Food Cookbang. It's easy, tasty Korean cooking channel. I'm Yujin. These days, Korean kids don't have to bring lunchbox anymore. But when I was a teenager, I had to bring a lunchbox every day to school. If you watched K-drama Reply 1988, there are a lot of lunchtime scenes in school like this. The lunchbox, which is called 도시락 in Korean, also has sections for like 2-3 side dishes, so I can have a complete meal with the rice. As you can see this photo, this is what my doshak looked like. And there was a side dish that made the person very popular during lunchtime who brought it for the lunchbox in the school. That side dish is also today's menu, Sausage Yachae Bokkeum, also known as these days Sso Ya. It's basically stir-fried sausage with veggies. The sausage that we're gonna use is this one. However, it says Vienna sausage in Korean. The texture and taste are more like Frank sausage that we use for the hot dog, but thumb size. If you want to buy it from the market, you should buy a Frank sausage, not the Vienna one in the blue can, okay? The texture is really different. Sso Ya is so good with the rice and kimchi. I still make this often for my lunch. So I'd like to share this recipe with you today. It's very easy, and as always, I put all the ingredients and links on the description, so check it out, okay? Are you excited to make one of the very popular Korean side dishes for lunchbox? I'm sure you are. Let's get started! Prepare sausages. I wanted to make the sausages to octopus shape, so I sliced 2 times into halfway down one side and then rotate 90 degrees and sliced again. If your sausages are longer, cut to about 2 inches. So if you see the sausages on the side way, it looks like this. If you think this is too much work, you can just slice them whatever you want, okay? Boil the water and drop the sausages. Cook for about 5 minutes. This way we can remove some oils and salt from the sausages. After 5 minutes, drain the water and set aside. Let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the bell peppers. I used half of red and half of green, but you can use only one color or add any vegetables you have. But we have to use an onion, okay? Now let's make a sauce. 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix them well. On the pan, put 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. We will stir fry the vegetables pretty quickly so we can keep the crispy textures. It should be done before vegetables get soggy, okay? Put vegetables and stir. And put sauce and keep stirring. When the veggies and sauce well mixed, put the sausages. Stir fry them all together. It looks good. OMG, it makes me hungry again. And put half tablespoon of sesame oil. Oh, yeah. It was really delicious. You should really make this. I hope you all enjoyed my soya recipe. One day try this soya and pack a lunchbox and go to the picnic, okay? This side dish is good with a bowl of rice, bread, or just a salad. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe me for the next video. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye! Watch my other videos too. Here.